How can I lower my cooling costs without replacing my HVAC system? You can lower cooling costs by sealing air leaks, improving airflow, and using your thermostat and fans more wisely. A lot of cooling waste happens before the air even reaches you. If cool air leaks out through gaps around windows, doors, attic openings, or duct joints, your system has to work harder just to keep up. A simple way to check is to feel for warm air near edges on a windy day, or use a smoke pencil, incense stick, or even a tissue to spot moving air. Closing blinds during the hottest part of the day can block sunlight, which is like turning down a giant heat lamp in your home. Ceiling fans help too, because they move air across your skin and make you feel cooler, so you can set the thermostat a little higher. One useful trick many people miss is changing the air filter on time, because a dirty filter makes it harder for air to move and can waste energy. Another smart step is to keep vents open and unblocked so the cool air can actually reach the rooms you use. If you want an easy habit, try raising the thermostat a little when you leave the house and bringing it back down only when needed. One common mistake is setting the thermostat extra low, thinking it will cool the house faster, but most systems cool at nearly the same speed and only run longer. A better move is to pick a steady temperature and make small changes. Another mistake is forgetting about the attic and ductwork, because hidden leaks there can waste a lot of cool air before it ever reaches a room. A good fix is to seal visible gaps and insulate weak spots where you can safely reach them. People also forget that appliances, lamps, and long showers had heat inside the house, so try running ovens, dryers, and heat-making tasks later in the day. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.